Join me as I challenge myself to whip up these 5 essential meals that are supposed to speed up recovery after a stroke. Can I make them all and see the difference? In today's video, we're going to discuss the vital role of nutrition in stroke recovery and reveal 5 meals that can help you. Many stroke survivors struggle with recovery and often overlook the impact that diet can have on their healing process. It's essential to choose the right foods to aid in recovery. A well-balanced diet can help manage symptoms, improve cognitive function, and even reduce the risk of future strokes. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods, you can give your body the tools it needs to heal and regain strength. The right foods can make a significant difference in the recovery process. Foods rich in antioxidants, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids are particularly beneficial. These nutrients can help reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and support overall brain health. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can help your body recover more efficiently. Choosing the right foods can be overwhelming, especially when you're already dealing with the challenges of stroke recovery. That's why we're going to break down the top 5 meals that can help you get back on track. We will explore each of the 5 meals, discussing their specific benefits, key ingredients, and how they can contribute to improved health and recovery. The first meal is oatmeal with berries and nuts, which is packed with fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats. The fiber in oatmeal can help lower cholesterol levels, while the antioxidants in berries can help reduce inflammation. The second meal is fatty fish with quinoa and steamed vegetables, which is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and fiber. The omega-3s in fatty fish can help reduce inflammation and improve brain function, while the quinoa and vegetables provide sustained energy and essential nutrients. The third meal is spinach and avocado salad with lean turkey, which is loaded with antioxidants, healthy fats, and lean protein. The antioxidants in spinach can help protect against cell damage, while the healthy fats in avocado can help lower cholesterol levels. The highlight of this video will be the unveiling of the most beneficial meal, which not only tastes great. This meal is a smoothie bowl with banana, almond milk, spinach, and almond butter, which is packed with potassium. The potassium in banana can help lower blood pressure, while the healthy fats in almond butter can help improve cognitive function. The smoothie bowl is an incredible meal that can be easily customized to suit your needs. By adding your favorite fruits, nuts, and seeds, you can create a delicious and nutritious meal that will help you recover faster. To wrap up, we've highlighted how important these meals are for stroke recovery and encouraged making them a staple in your diet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which meal you're excited to try.